So King Bag is a sewn goods manufacturer in Cincinnati. Their main client is GE Aviation. They make custom small batch jet engine covers for when a jet engine is being moved or worked on. So it's all sewn industrial vinyl products, chemical proof, waterproof, to keep the product safe. King Bag also makes a lot of fermentation tank covers. So a lot of Cincinnati breweries have King Bag products in them as well.
My experience with working with King Bag this semester has been really positive. I was really excited when we got to choose out of a company and I saw the industrial vinyl. I don't usually work with that type of material, whereas I have more comfortable with other ones. So I kind of wanted to challenge myself, and it was so cool getting to tour the factory and seeing how their company works, and also getting to experiment with the different types of what we can do with the vinyl, whether it was using heat welding or trying to use their water resistant properties. So it was really cool testing out a new material.
My very favorite part about King Bag is every week going and digging through their scrap piles and saying hi to all the workers in the back, cutting the fabric, and going and just it's like Christmas morning every time, what new color is going to be there this time, and getting new inspiration and new excitement for the project each time we went there was so fun. I also think it's been really interesting, all the employees at King Bag, none of them really know what we're doing, and it's kind of over all of their heads, but they're still excited to help us out, which has been really nice. Their lead product engineer essentially has been we'll present a project to him or an idea, or we'll show him a sketch for something, and he'll be like, oh, we have a bunch of that hardware, do you want me to go show it to you? And then he'll give it to us for free. He'll just be like, oh yeah, do you want one? And here you go. And they're super nice in that way. And we've had some really good conversations with one of the head seamstresses, Marty. She's been really nice and just really honest about her experience at King Bag, and just made for some really interesting conversations.
I think for the project, we are really inspired by the unique characteristics of vinyl. We really like that it's water resistant and heat resistant. So we are really looking at ways we could use that to fuel our design, whether it's at first we were kind of thinking about using heat to maybe make some type of kettle or something, but then we really like the idea of using water, and then from there we were inspired with different types of home goods we could use, whether it's a fish tank or a kettle or something like that. And then once we really like the idea of adding this greenery to the vinyl too, so that's where we got that inspiration.
We came up with a hydroponic system kind of as a way of talking about the reclaimed vinyl that we're using, so taking an ecological stance on this recycled material. So that was a main point of inspiration for us, and then really paying attention to the unique properties of vinyl and thinking about how we could integrate an entire system into just two sheets of fabric put together. That was a huge part of it. Something that was surprising to me, weirdly, was how close our group got. That should be obvious, but I was really stressed out about our project for a long time, and then it was all of a sudden we were all laughing every time we were together, and it was a blast. So that was a really exciting surprise about the semester.
Yeah,
Go
totally
Team
agree.
King
Yeah, I
Bag!
totally agree.